Have you installed LED indicators on your bike? If not, check out our video. After installing your LED indicator, does your LED indicator blink like this? And you want it to be blinking like this? Well, we have a solution for you. In today's video with Rev Explorers, we are going to tell you how to stop the hyper blinking of your LED indicators. So all you need to solve your problem is this 10 ohm 10 watt resistor, or also known as load resistor. I'll post the links, but this is a basic resistor that you can find on any electronic shop. Remember these two wires that we left in the last video where I told you that I'll connect it to the highway flasher? Well, not for the highway flasher today, but we'll be using it to connect the resistors so that our hyper blinking problem is solved. See, what happens is when you connect the LED's wattage is lower than the bulb's wattage. So that is why your relay goes into hyper blinking, or it is in a state where it cannot understand if the bulb is connected or not. If you see over here, these two, so the green one is coming from the right indicator and the gray one is coming from the left indicator. So what I have done is I have connected the red wire on this green wire, which is the positive terminal for your right indicator, and I have connected this black wire to the positive terminal of the left indicator, that is the gray wire. So you just need to connect one resistor for left side and one resistor for the right side. So I'll show you what I have done. Mine is NS200. So I have found a very good space on the right hand side of the bike. We put on two resistors. One is for the left hand side indicators and one is for the right hand side indicators. And if you see, the ground is common, and I have connected the ground to this switch over here. Okay, and when I turn on the switch, this connects it to the negative side of the bike. This switch I have installed to eliminate one of the problems, that is when you install these resistors over here and when you use the indicator for quite long time, these tend to get hot because I have to install highway flasher afterwards. So I have connected the ground to the switch. So when I'll be using the highway flasher, what I'll do is I will disconnect these resistors and just directly use the highway flasher. That is it. You can also bypass the whole switch circuit. You can directly connect the negative terminal to the battery side. It will solve your problem. So this is from the left hand side of the indicator. Oh, sorry. This is from the right hand side of the indicator and this is from the left hand side of the indicator. So what I'll do is I'll just pass it down and I'll simply solder it over it. And one more thing, if you are planning to install highway flasher after this, just make sure that you are connecting extra wire onto it so that you can connect highway flasher later on, because else you have to again open this whole system up, again install that wire and then put the highway flasher. See this? The hyper blinking is gone now. So I'll make it simple for you. This is the front side and this is the rear side. So these are the left hand side indicators. This is the ground line. So that means this is negative and this is the positive line. Similarly, these are the right hand side indicators. This is the ground line and this is the positive line. So what we have done is we have connected R1 to the left hand side positive terminal and we have connected R2 to the right hand side positive terminal. R1 is equals to R2 is equals to 10 ohm 10 watt resistors. So both the resistors are similar. Okay, now we have taken the common line from the resistors and connected it to the switch. This is used for the highway flasher, and then we have connected to the ground. So if I open the switch, these resistors won't work. If I close the switch, the resistor will work. And that is it. Coming up in our next DIY.